Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure core prerequisites are met so updates proceed cleanly. Confirm Windows is fully updated and you're signed into the Microsoft account in the store. This avoids permission or compatibility errors. Once done, open Microsoft Store, click your profile icon, then select Library. You'll see available app updates listed. Tap Get Updates to begin. This step triggers the store's update engine and shows real-time download progress, so you know what's installing and why. If updates stall, take these middle steps to restore the store's normal flow. First, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the store cache. That often unblocks downloads. If problems persist, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Microsoft Store, right arrow Advanced Options and choose Reset. This reinstates default app data without touching your account. Also make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts. Many store components depend on the OS being current. After these actions, reopen Store and retry the Library right arrow Get Updates action. To finish, verify all app updates completed and perform a clean reboot to finalize installations. If the store is missing or corrupted, re-register it using an elevated PowerShell command or reinstall via optional features. This restores core packages. Run sfc/scano and dism restore health to fix deeper system file issues that prevent updates. If things still go wrong, check date/time, region, and group policy settings. They commonly block store operations. Adjusting those often resolves persistent authentication or download failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.